Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Yes, and the class 5 children science subject and page number is 84. Please all of you open page number 84 children. Yes, this is worksheet 2, animals everywhere. The name of the lesson is animals everywhere. This is class 5, okay. Write true or write T for true or F for false. Reptiles and birds breathe through lungs. Is it true or false children? Yeah, this is true. Herbivorous animals have strong broad teeth for chewing. Is it true or false children? Yes, it is true. Gills, fish have gills to swim. Fish have gills to swim or breathe. Yes, so this is false. Please write children false. All insects have 4 legs. Is it? Is it so? I don't think so children. This is false children. Please write here false or capital F. Lice and bedbugs are insects with 4 wings. Yeah. Is this correct? No, this is not correct because lice and bedbugs are not able to fly. Okay. So this is false. Please write children. First one capital T, capital T, capital F, capital F, capital F. Okay children? Yes. Now coming to the next. Fill in the blanks. This is B bit. A bit is over and even the worksheet 1 is also over. Yes. Fill in the blanks. Our hands are adapted to hold objects. See, I am holding the pencil with my hands. Right. So this is for hands. We are adapted to hold the objects. Please write hands spelling correctly. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. The 4 limbs of the bird are in form of wings. Obviously, in the form of wings, what they have? 4 limbs. And in the hind limbs, they have claws or legs. Okay, the claws are attached to the legs. Okay, children. Please write correct spelling of 4 limbs. F-O-R-E-L-I-M-B-S. 4 limbs. Snakes have no legs, but they have what? Plates. P-L-A-T-S, not that eating plates but the different plates, okay, to help them move, okay, to help them move. Webbed feet help frogs and ducks to swim in water. Please write webbed feet spelling correctly, here plate spelling also correctly, right? W-E-B-B-E-D, webbed F-E-E-T. First one, this one should be capital letter, right, children, please write it, okay. C bit. 3 pictures are given below. Name the animals and write a sentence on each. Here they have given the picture of bat, frog and dolphin. What you need to write? Write a 1 sentence on each of them. Okay. Let us see children. This is one is bat. Please write children. It is a mammal, though, not through, though, T-H-O-U-G-H, though. It flies like a bird. Please write children. Pause the video and write. Frog. F-R-O-G, frog. It is an amphibian. Please write the correct spelling of amphibian. A-M-P-H-I-B-I-A-N. Amphibian, which can live in both land and water. Which can live in both land and water. Okay. Dolphin. It is a mammal. It is a mammal. Spelling of mammal, M-A-M-M-A-L, mammal, though, T-H-O-U-G-H, though. It lives in water. Where it lives? It lives in water, but it has lungs and it has mammals. That is the reason it is going up in the air to breathe the air. Yes. Next, describe the organs of feeding of carnivores. Please write children. Carnivores have very sharp, pointed and curved front teeth for tearing flesh. Actually, one more sentence will come like they have a strong grinding teeth for chewing the bones also. The carnivores have that speciality. But here there is no place, we have not written, no problem, you can write it, okay. Just write, carnivores have very sharp, pointed and curved front teeth. It's curved front teeth for tearing the flesh. Why do animals need to move, children? Animals need to move in search of food, in order to search of food. In search, search, search of food, protection from enemies and their babies. They have to protect from the enemies, right, for being hunted. So they have to take care of the children, their babies. Protection from enemies and their babies, and for breeding places. So they have to move for the breeding places. Breeding means like they have to give their birth to their young ones. That is called as breeding places. They can't give here and there. They have to go, the birds has to go in the nest. Yes, the animals has to go in the fine places so that they can breed. Yes, that is the reason. So this you have to write. Why are the humans are most developed among all animals? Okay, humans can stand, walk, run with one pair of limbs, and fingers and hands are adapted to hold objects and do many kinds of work. So humans are really, they are very developed, children, like no other. You know, children, not only this, they are developed because they can think. Not other animals can think. Okay, here in this world, the human species are highly advanced. They know about the technology. You can write by your own sentence this this question, because there are so many points like why the human beings are developed and advanced other than animals. Okay, but I have written as per the textbook. Okay, humans can stand, walk, run with one pair of limbs, and fingers and hands are adapted to hold objects and do many kinds of work. Okay, here nothing is there, children. This is and A and D, A and D. You just no need to confuse here. A and D. I am just keeping the video. You can just pause the video and you can write, children, so that you can write totally things. Okay. Yes. Pause the video and you can write, children, and write your name, class, and submit to the school premises. Okay, children. I hope you have learned by this chapter, as we have completed this chapter. Okay. We will definitely send you the question and answers of this lesson also. Okay, children. Take care, children. Bye. Have a nice day.